Hey, Stephen, Paul Heck. Want to show you real quick just this video about what do we do when we're talking about ranking a website? How do we generate traffic? What kind of traffic is out there for you? Google is looking for three things. It's looking for content on your website that supports these keywords. It has to be keyword-rich content. We do that in a certain way with a certain amount of content or surrounding each particular keyword. So we do some research on the front end, figure out like what keywords are we trying to go after. Northwest Arkansas is a little bit unique in that there's Fayetteville, Springdale, Rogers, Bentonville, four kind of major cities that all have their own unique keywords. So we'll look at some of those keywords as well, and some of the quantity around how much search is going on. We'll talk a little bit about Google Ads and a little bit about your Google Business Profile. So their content is number one. It's got to be keyword rich on your website. Second thing is what we call backlinks. So these are other websites that are going to have some content on there that refers back to your website. And that's going to pass some power to you in Google's eyes and start to make your website feel just stronger and have a bigger presence out on the internet. And the third thing are citations. This is your name, address, and phone number placed on business directories. Again, building a big footprint, we look to get twice as many of those citations put on as what your competitors have. So we're kind of looking at all of those things. So those three things will start to rank you high in the search rankings. We also look at like how does AI affect your website? What do we need to do for content for that to get picked up on the AI and stuff? So we're looking at all of those things when we're talking about building a website. Now, just looking right now what you have, I'm not finding your website at all out there. I did find your Google Business Profile, McKay Quality Roofing and Construction, Springdale. We build out this as a part of what we do to enhance it so that it can start to rank and start to pick up more in the Google Maps section. When someone searches for, say, roofing Springdale AR, you want to be in this map section here where Foster, Superior, and Pinnacle currently are right now. But let's jump right into this. I typed in roofing Springdale AR just to give us a reference point. You've got a couple of people running local service ads up here. Occasionally you'll see someone running Google Ads, straight Google Ads up here as well. And then you've got the business profile section that gets ranked in this map area. And then down below is the organic. So in the organic, you want to be at the top 3 positions ideally. Right now, Erie Home is the only one outside of this commercial roofer, harness roofing. And then you got Top Hat and just a couple others, Element, Perry. Even Superior is down on that list. I'm going to look at a couple of these companies just to show you from what they're showing on the ranking on my side. So Superior Roofing is ranking for Springdale for that roofing, for some of those roofing terms. Their website's just okay. It's not anything just super awesome. They do have some social proof on there with their Google reviews. They talk about their services. Really just lacking on the amount of content that is needed. We always recommend a minimum of 1,500 words on your homepage. A lot of times if we're going after more keywords, it's going to be more than that. And we just put that on there in a systematic way so that it's in small bites and pieces, so you're not looking at like paragraphs and things. Looking at just where Superior's ranking now, they're about 2.6 on their DR ranking and a 4.7 on their UR. This is giving them 139 traffic each month, and it's ranking from those, or coming in from those 27 keywords. So if we look at those 20 keywords, you got roofing company Northwest Arkansas that gets searched 150 times a month. They're in position 3, and they got 26 traffic off of that. So you know that that's going to turn into some good amount of work just off of that one keyword. Roofing Springdale AR, another 150 searches per month, a 4 on the difficult rating, so that's on the lower end. That's good. They're ranking number 4, and they got 21 traffic coming in off of that particular term. Now they got Superior Roofing. I'm not going to look at that. That's their name. Roofing company's NWA. Again, 100 searches a month. Way more difficult on the keyword difficulty rating, 22. They are in position 5. It's going to take some time to beat them out of that position. But you can see there's good search volume to go after on a keyword like that. Roofing company Springdale AR, 150 searches a month. 5 on the difficulty, and they're in position 6. They're getting 10 traffic off of that. So that's sort of what I look at when I'm looking at what is your competitor doing, how much content do they have, is it keyword rich, all that stuff. This Erie Home is also popping up. This is a company that has really kind of climbed up in the rankings here recently. Their website's not good at all from a just user standpoint and the information standpoint. You can tell that it just wasn't put together really, really well. Could have been even an AI type website that put that together. But it is ranking. It is bringing them some traffic. I've got them popped into here. Now, this company has a lot of locations, and so that is one of the things that's actually helping them to rank right now. Roofing company Springdale AR, they're in the 5th position, 18 traffic. Roofing Springdale AR, 7 traffic off of the 9th position, 150 searches. So you can see that they are getting a little bit of traffic, getting some jobs coming in the door off of their website, even though it's not ideally, done in a way that's really user friendly and tells their story really well. But that's it in a nutshell. It's your Google Business Profile is going to rank off of the content on it, the Google reviews. Your website's going to rank off the content on it. Are you posting regularly on blogs and on your Google Business Profile? All of those things have to be done on a monthly basis to try to strengthen this site up, building those backlinks, again, trying to make your site as strong as possible to rank for the particular keywords in different areas. We don't go after everything at once because we can't. So we identify like the low-hanging fruit in the area, try to rank for that, get some good jobs coming in, and then we can expand off of that. I hope this was helpful. You can reach me at 479-326-7899 or on my cell phone. Love to talk with you further about how we can help you grow your business. Thanks.